Now did that sound amazing, or what? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Supercar Sunday, and if you didn't know already, 2 years ago I built a classic superbike. That's right, I built a classic superbike from my home workshop, and this is how it started. After building the bike, we needed to find someone to man it. Well, I certainly wasn't good enough to ride it. In 2024, David Jackson rode the bike, also known as Action Jackson, or to his friends, Jacko. Jacko had several top 5 finishes on the bike, but in all honesty, the bike wasn't quite there yet. It was still very much in the development stages. This year, however, we had a new rider, going by the name of Aaron Sadler. Aaron Sadler is from Chesley Street in County Durham, and this year, Aaron put on an absolute clinical performance in the classic superbikes. To my absolute amazement, Aaron managed to win pretty much every race on my classic superbike this year. I knew Aaron was good, but I just didn't know how good. And really, to be honest, to all of us, I don't think we knew how good he was going to do this year. He absolutely cleaned up. He's this year's Oliver's Mount King of the Mount. He's won the Classic Superbike Championship. He's all over road racing news. He's absolutely flying. We've got trophies, and more trophies. They just kept on coming all season. It's been hard work funding the Classic Superbike this season. It's been hard work having the time out and running my business at the same time. But I just wanted to show you what you can do if you really put your mind to it. I've took a bit of time out, I've built a bike, and I've helped someone get pushed on in his racing. I've done something a bit different, I've made lots of new friends, and with Aaron winning all these races, and one in particular that I was really chuffed with, that being the Barry Sheene feature race, I really feel like I've achieved something. Something else I was really chuffed with was at the Barry Sheene event I got to meet Dave of Obsession Engineering. And would you believe, on the day of the Barry Sheene feature race, they actually got Dave up in the tower to give his prediction on who he thought would win the Barry Sheene feature race.
So the yellow flags are flying and they will be lining up on the grid. So Aaron Sadler is the man on pole position, Paul Marley second, Joey Thompson third. And have you got any rider insights to who may be the rider to...
I mean, Adam Sadler has been quick in every session. And interestingly, that bike's in the full dry probably not as fast as some of the others down the straight, but in the wet it probably makes it a little bit easier to ride. And so I think he's probably going to be the man on form, but we don't really know what Joey's going to be able to do in these damp conditions.
Well, we'll soon find out in around about 15 minutes or so as the rest of the guys make their way onto the grid. Now, how about this? We've got the Classic Superbike 750s on the front row there. We've got a few CV500s in the mix, as well as an RS250 Honda 2-stroke. So, and the CBR 6 Steely.
this could be really interesting because those guys are they're not shy, and with only having 45 horsepower, they're going to be on it straight away. You know it exactly.
So in a nutshell, that was this year's racing. Now I want to thank Action Jackson for 2024. I want to thank Aaron Sadler for 2025. I want to thank my mate Andy for helping me out. And I want to thank my missus for putting up with me. I'll see you all next week in another video. And if you've not subscribed already, you know what to do.